Hello everyone, we have many marker colors. First of all, we fill all the apples with colorful markers. Two plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 2 and 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 2, 3 plus 2 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 1 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 4. 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 are is equal to 2.